Hi, welcome to the PAES Lab. I'm Jenna, and I'm going to show you around a little bit. So the PAES Lab is in a normal classroom, but it's not going to feel like a normal class. This is what our PAES Lab looks like. Come on in. In the PAES Lab, the possibilities are endless. You can do all kinds of jobs. PAES is actually an acronym, and here's what it stands for. P is practical. That basically means it's hands-on. Then there's A, assessment. Assessment is just a fancy word for judging. E stands for explorative. In the PAES Lab, you're going to be exploring all kinds of different jobs to see if you like them or not. S stands for system, and a system is basically how everything in the PAES Lab works together. Okay, so this is the PAES work procedure. This is going to be the most important thing that you need to know. So basically, this has everything that you need to know and what order to do things. So first, it's clock in. So we're going to go over here and to the computer. I'm going to find my name. There I am. Okay, so I clocked in, did that. Now, work folder. I need to get my work folder. So your work folders are going to be in these right here, and then you'll need to find your name. So I'll grab this one. And then it also has the work procedure on the front, so then you don't always have to come back here if you are trying to do your job, but then you can't remember what's next. You can just do this, or follow this. Okay, so I got my work folder. Now I need stopwatch and pencil. So here's a stopwatch, and then I'm going to grab a pencil. Okay, we're good. Next is look at job assignment in your work record. Okay, so I'm going to open my work record. This is the work record. And so my first job of the day is CO1, business. So this is in the business category because there's all kinds of different areas, 5 areas. And then it's going to be in CO. And if I look over here in the business area, I can actually see, okay, so CO stands for collating. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And it's level 1. So if you look on here, it has all of the levels. So CO1 through CO6 is right here. So I'm going to do CO1. So when we're back over here, I look CO1. And it's in business. So we need to find the business box. See, right here, it says, so this one is processing and production. And it actually has, so like BA 1 through 6. So all of BA, like level 1 through level 6 is in this box. All of the processing and production cards are in this box. So that's one, but we need the business box. So I'm going to grab this one. It says business right there. It also says business and marketing job card box right there. So I know this is what I'm looking for. So we can open this up. And then if you look close, you can actually see that there's different levels. So level 1, and the orange ones are level 1, level 2, green, level 3, yellow, and all of these on and on. So first, we are CO1. We need to find level 1 of CO. So I'm going to look through here. This one's backwards. Here. So this is the job card that I need. And I know this because it says CO1 right there. And it also says business and marketing. And that's the area I was looking for. So this is my job card. Okay, so we found that. Now it says after we find your job card, go to the job area. Okay, so if I look again, it says business. So we need to find the business area. So let's see here. Consumer service, business marketing. Okay, so here I am, my right area. go right here. Okay, now that we are in the business marketing area, we have everything that we need except our job materials. So if we look on here, it'll say the materials that we need are the CO1 packet of plain papers and the paper clips. So we don't have them right here, obviously. And if we follow this, it says, after we went to the job area, we need to get our job materials, which that's what we need. So we need to find the CO1 box. And everything that we need might not be in the box, so always keep your mind open or your eyes open to seeing other things that you might need. And it'll always say on your card what exactly the materials that you need. So I found the CO1 box. Open it up, and I can just double check if I have all the materials that I need. So this says CO1 blank paper. Okay, that's one of them. And then the paper clips. And that's all I need. So I am good. I know that I have all the materials I need to start my job. So I can look here. I got my job materials. Now I'm going to fill out work record. So that's date and start time. So, the date was already filled out. So now start time is 9:32. Okay. Then I'm going to read my job card. Procedure. You are going to count pieces of paper and clip them together with a paper clip. Count out 5 pieces of paper. Stack the papers neatly together. Place a paper clip in the upper left corner of the page. That makes 1 stack of paper. Make 10 stacks of paper with 5 pages in each stack. Okay, so I read through that. Now I know what my job is. But before I start my job, I'm going to call my supervisor to start the job. So I will say, "Supervisor, I'm ready." So then the supervisor will come over, and then they'll ask maybe, "Do you know how to do your job?" Or "Explain to me how to do your job." And you can just tell them what you think you're going to do. And then once they say you're good to go, next we're going to start our stopwatch and then do the job. So after I'm done with my job, I would stop my stopwatch, then fill out my stop time, and then my stopwatch time, and then I can actually grade how much I liked this job. So if I really liked it, I'm going to mark an X right there. But if I'm like, it was okay, I can do an X right there. Or if I don't like it, not interested at all, then I can put an X right there. But after I'm done with that, I did my job, stop my stopwatch, write stop time, and check interest, and now I can call my supervisor to check my work. So I can just say, "Hey supervisor, I'm done." And then once they come over, they can check my work just to make sure that I did it all correctly. And then after that, we can move on to our next job after we put away all of our things.